Meet the SingleSpeed. Built for solo trips, it's a strong, light, and secure single bike hitch rack that's super easy to use. The strong arm hook design secures your bike at the wheels, protecting painted surfaces and carbon frames. And it can handle almost any kind of bike, from road to mountain, fat tire to BMX. When not in use, the SingleSpeed's compact design keeps it out of your way when you want to access your trunk or tailgate. Taking the rack on and off your vehicle is tool-free and super simple. It fits either 1¼ or 2-inch hitches right out of the box. Just tighten the easy-to-use speed knob to secure the rack in your hitch receiver, and loosen the knob to remove it. Included locks secure the rack to your vehicle, and your bike to the rack. Rides over, crack open a cold one with the integrated bottle opener. Smart, simple, and secure transport for one bike. That's the SingleSpeed.